Hello everyone, welcome back to Droid Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to get or how to install Black Ops 6 on beta on your PC. So the game is available to try beta on Xbox. So if you're having Xbox Pass, you can do this. So just make sure that you're having the Xbox Pass. Over here you have to make sure that you're having the Xbox Pass. That is the first thing. If you don't have the Xbox Pass, you cannot do this. So once afterward, just go over here and search for Black Ops 6 beta. You have to search for this one. So search for the Black Ops 6 beta. So if you search, you'll be getting this like. So just click on this one. And right now, as you can see, this is the page. So the Call of Duty Black Ops 6 beta pack 01. So right now I'm having the Xbox Game Pass subscription. So I'm having the install option over here. So just go to the install. So the game is around 161.26 GB. So it is quite big. So I have to go for the next. So right now, once I have selected everything, I have to go for install. So just go for the install. So it will be getting installed over here. So most probably when you're going to select the game, you'll be getting few options like whether you wanted the Call of Duty Black Ops 6 along with some, multiplayer Warzone campaign, all those things. You can uncheck this. But right now for me, it is already, I have done selected everything. So that is why it's showing. So you have to do this. So once afterward, just select the wanted things, which means the Black Ops beta, then the content pack 1 and 01. And once afterwards, you can just go over here. And as you can see, it is getting downloaded. So it is having two things, the Call of Duty Black Ops beta pack 01 and also the Call of Duty. So you can do this. So once it is successfully done, you can just try launching the game and you can try playing the game. It will be much better. So this is how you can get the Call of Duty on the Black Ops open beta. So this is how you can play the game, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more these kind of videos. So that's what you have to do. So here I have paused the game, so I'm going to continue it. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue playing the games. Right now it's getting downloaded. So let me wait for the next video. So that's what it's all about when it comes to how to install this. And I hope this video is helpful. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.